Hello, and welcome to ARLOOPA Studio. In this tutorial, we will guide you through creating your very own location-based augmented reality experience. Let's start by clicking on the Create New Experience button. Now, you'll see different types of AR experiences you can create. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Location-Based AR. Simply click on the Location-Based AR option to select it. Next, choose the type of media for your experience. For this type of AR experience, they typically use either a 3D file or a 360 photo or video, especially for augmented reality portal creation. In this tutorial, we'll select a 360 video. Scroll down to the Media Files section and choose 360 video. Great. Now it's time to upload your 360 video file. You can either click in this area or simply drag and drop your video file to upload it. Let's upload our 360 video now. While the video uploads, let's set the location for your AR experience. You can search for a specific location using the search bar, or if you grant your browser permission to access your location, it will automatically set it for you. You can also easily navigate the map and pinpoint the exact spot where you want your AR experience to be activated. Our video is uploaded. Now click Next to move to the 3D editor. Here we are in the 3D scene. You can see your 360 video sphere is already placed. Feel free to adjust the position and scale of the portal using these tools if needed. For this tutorial, we'll leave it as it is and proceed by clicking Publish. In this window, give your experience a name and add a description if you like. Let's call it ARLOOPA Location-Based 360 Portal Tutorial. You can also add a preview image here. Once you're happy with the details, click the final Publish button. Congratulations! Your location-based AR experience is now published. You can check its status as pending in the My Experiences section. The studio admin will review your content, and if it complies with the guidelines, it will be approved within a few minutes. To preview your experience, click on it to open a web page displaying a QR code. Scan the QR code with your device's camera to be redirected to the ARLOOPA app, where you can view your AR experience in your space. Once approved by the admin, the location-based experience will appear on the ARLOOPA app's map in the mentioned location. Let's navigate to the map and see how the pin works. Users must be physically present within a 50-meter radius of the location to see the active pin. They can then simply tap on it and place the experience in the real world. And that's it. You've successfully created a location-based AR experience in ARLOOPA Studio. Now, users can discover and interact with your content in the real world. Keep exploring, creating, and bringing your ideas to life with ARLOOPA.